Yo, what's going on, guys? Back again with another video. This video is just a short little kind of like day in the life for me. So right now I'm just gonna drop off a product to a customer. He just ordered it today, but I told him we could meet up today, so I'm just gonna bring it to him real quick. So if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, it's I supply parts, pretty much carbon fiber parts, gloss black, like colors like that. But yeah, I'm a supplier for them, so all the parts in my car, front lip, trunk lip, diffuser, everything like that, I supply all of them. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing right now. I'm just gonna meet up with someone real quick. Almost there though. I'm probably like 10 minutes away. This is actually for a Dodge Charger though, a trunk lip. So I think this is the last one in this color. So yeah, he's getting the last one, and it's a gloss black. So yeah, I'm just bringing you guys along, you know, quick little cash, nothing much. I was supposed to go to work this morning, but something came up. The roads were all blocked. I was mad late already, so I'm like, you know what, I just didn't bother go. But yeah, I was mad late though. Usually I always go though, but I was mad late today and it wasn't worth it to go like when I was already that late. So good thing I didn't go though, because now I'm going to sell a product, and this one thing is making me more than what my shift would have paid me like 3 times. Like, not a flex or anything, but that's kind of why in my last video I was telling you guys that, you know, businesses are so good, like you can really do a lot with it. But you know, if I went to work, that's an extra money too. But good thing, because I would have been at work right now, wouldn't be able to sell this. So yeah, but I'll just bring you guys along, you know, drop this off to the customer real quick, and on my way back, I think I might need to get gas though, but I'll give you guys a little POV as well, you know, just some pops and all like that. But yeah, pretty much my day so far. All right, boys, so I just dropped it off, so I'll just give you guys a little POV now. His car is pretty clean though. But yeah, his car is pretty clean. It's a 2021 Charger. It's mad clean. It's white. Should have showed you guys. Man, why is the paddle shifter not working? Or not the paddle shifter, that thing. It took so long to shift. Yeah, and these roads are so bad, especially on my springs. Turning a little bit of heads there, eh? Damn, I have to try so hard not to scrape.
Center lane blocked ahead.
They do so much constructions on these roads though, I swear. Especially driving on this road, that there's just cones everywhere. Like I like driving behind people though, because then I can see if there's any like bumps or anything. Because I drove here once, I swear to God, I thought I broke my lip. So like, even like these little spots, I gotta be angling my car, like nah. I actually said I was going to make a POV with my burbles off. I think I'm going to make that for my next video, because a bunch of people suggested it as well. Because even I want to see what it sounds like, because since I got the tune, I've had my burbles on max the whole time. So I'm curious to see like when it's off, what the car actually sounds like. Because my intake and my turbos, you can hear them a lot, but the pops just like, you can't really hear it that much of the pops, especially in camera. Like in person I can hear it a little bit better, but on camera you can't even hear the turbos. But yeah, when the pops is off, it should be way louder. I think I'm gonna make that for my next video. If not, my next video is gonna be pretty soon that I make that one. Tiny little pops there in the downshifts. But yeah, just like a little follow-up from my last video though, where I made a video like how I afford a BMW. If you guys haven't seen that video yet, you can check it out, because how I afford a BMW in school. So damn. So yeah, if you guys don't know, like I said, I am in school, full-time in college. So yeah, and I have a BMW, so I just made a video. I just made a video pretty much telling you guys how I afford it, but kind of like following up on that video. You know, if you guys have something like you really want, just trust me, just lock into one thing. The main advice I would give to anyone is, and I heard it a bunch of times before, I didn't take it that serious until I actually seen it take effect in my life, but yeah, if you guys are like, if you guys want something, trust me, like if you guys want to make money or anything like that, just lock in on one thing and put your focus on that one thing, because just switching between like a bunch of different things, you're not going to get the results that you would get if you just stick to it for a while. I know sometimes it takes mad long, but trust me, if you lock into one thing, it's going to work. Like, there's no way it doesn't work. Just think about it. Like, if you do something forever and you give it your full effort, it is going to work. So trust me, like, I know it's kind of hard to just sit there with no results, but if you guys want something, damn, look at that bump. I had to slam on my brakes. Yeah, trust me though, like if you guys want something, just lock in on that one thing. I know it's hard because like seeing no results or anything like that, it's kind of hard. You're kind of like, damn, this is not gonna work, but trust me, if you lock into it long enough, it is gonna work. So take my advice, and in your head, if whatever you're doing you know is a good idea and like a good business tactic or anything like that, trust me, just lock into it, stick to it for a while. It is gonna work. Just stick to it, just give it some time, trust me. Sometimes I shift with the paddle shifter, sometimes I use this. I know it's a bit weird, but I don't know why I do it, but I just do it. Shift. This car is too fun, bro, I swear. I don't know what other car is gonna top it. I know if I get an M though, that's for sure gonna top it, but man, this car is mad fun. You know, I used to want a 10th gen Accord. I like, at one point I liked them so much. I don't know what I saw in them, but it is a nice car though. But I used to be going crazy over those cars. I was actually gonna buy one. They're way more than a 335i. But good thing I didn't buy one though. Like, there are cool cars, but for the price you can get way better. You could get probably a 340i for the price of a 10th gen Accord, unless the prices have dropped now. But I used to want one of those so bad. I swear, this car, it pulls so much. Like, with a tune, the car pulls so much. Even like 3rd gear, 4th gear, you still pull. I watch, right now I'm in 4th gear and I'm gonna step on it, and look, like, that's pulling mad hard for 4th gear. That's impressive from over a 10-year-old car, like more than 10 years old. I know it doesn't really matter though for the age of the car that much, because even like a E90 M3 that's way older still can pull harder than this, but it's still impressive for the price of the car. That's why I said I think a 335i might just be the best car for the price range. And I got my car for 15K, if you guys didn't know. 15K, but I had to do a bunch of mods, and 15K Canadian, so in USD that's like way less. That's probably like 12K. But yeah, I had to do a bunch of mods though, and a bunch of things I had to fix. But you know, you can get a good one still for that same price. So I think like mine came with some issues that I had to fix, but I think if you want to get a good one, I would say, like, I'm talking in Canadian dollars because that's what I'm more familiar with, but probably like 17, 18K, no more than 20K though. I think more than 20K would, like, it's not a rip-off, but you can definitely find the same car for less than that on my Gaslight. 17, 18K, probably 19K for a 335i. That's a pretty good deal. If you guys went with M Sport though, M Sport might be a little bit more, because my car was non-M Sport at first. That's why I got it for so cheap. And there was some issues with it though that I didn't know about. But if you get a non-M Sport one, they're way cheaper than the M Sport package. But then if you want to switch it to M Sport, then you're still paying probably like $2,000 to switch it over, because getting the steering wheel, the bumpers, get them paint matched, it is gonna cost you. So maybe just go with the M Sport from scratch to start with. But yeah, like M Sport one, you can still, I feel like you can still get one for like 19K though, 20K. I don't think you should be spending more than 20K on a 335i. How much is gas here though? I might just go here. 163. I don't even know if they take card. I've never been to this gas station. It doesn't look like something that takes card, but probably. If I have to go inside, then it is what it is. But I don't know, I'll try it out. This is the cheapest they're gonna get gas for right now though. Like 163. Right now that's considered cheap. Nah, I don't think they take. Damn, this shit's really old. Nah, I'd probably just go to my gas station. Yeah. Nah, I ain't trying to go here. Just gonna go to my gas station. I have no clue how to work that. It's like separate pumps for everything. I'll give you guys a little pull when I leave here. I ain't never gonna get to go. This shit really pulls for rear wheel drive. That's another thing. Some of you guys might not know, but my car is rear wheel drive. It's because it's 2012. I think the 2012s came rear wheel drive. I'm not sure if they had X drive in 2012, but I don't know. I've never seen a rear wheel drive 335i. There might be other ones, I'm not sure, but mine is rear wheel drive. So that's kind of sick, because I do like rear wheel drive cars. They don't pull as good as all wheel drive, but this one pulls pretty good. I think if you have good tires, then you're chilling though. Look at this Maserati. That shit's clean. That's a nice WRX. I always love the blue so much, especially with gold wheels. I think it's a perfect match. Damn, look at that. It's clean though. What is my luck? Can't even get in there. I wonder if I can use the pump when the truck is there. I have no clue. I don't know if I can go in there, to be honest. I think I'll fit. No, probably not. Should I try it though? I am gonna try it. Watch me hit my car on camera? Nah, no way. I have no idea if I can use it though. I've never been here when one of these trucks are here. I think I can, yeah. It's definitely gonna be like 100 to fill up though. My car's not even clean. It's just been raining so much I can't even wash it. It's kind of like pointless. It looks aggressive though. It still looks nice, even though it's not the cleanest. Damn, that's a thumbnail right there. And that thing's clean. funny thing, I remember when I just bought the car, I pulled up to a gas station just like this, and I parked up there, and I'm like, yo, I can't believe I have this. It was completely stock. That's a cool thing to look back at. On the same WRX. It's clean. I want him to do a pull or something. I think he's coming in the gas station though. That shit was 100. But yeah, I'm pretty much gonna end the video off right here though, because I'm almost home. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it's a longer video because you guys have been asking for longer videos. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know whatever video you guys want to see in the comments. Feel free to ask me any questions or anything like that. But yeah, thank you guys for watching again. We got like 100 subs in like one day and yesterday. That's mad crazy to even think. But yeah, thank you guys so much for the support. I really appreciate it, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.